So continuing with the 52 tags handmade by textile artist Ann Brooks, where she uploads a new video on YouTube every Friday, I'm kind of nearing the end of my 52-week journey. I have tags 36 through 40. These are so exciting, and here are the previous tags, all sorted in a row. I wanted to show you my latest tags. Tags 36, the theme was slow stitching neutrals. I thought that was so fascinating. Tag 37 was fabric weaving. So instead of weaving threads, we wove fabric. And that was kind of interesting because the different fabric pieces and weights really gave it an interesting beauty, as did the colors of the fabric. Tag 38 was reverse applique. So I made this little fern, really, with different green fabrics. And what was so neat is there are so many layers of fabric here. It's not obvious from the one dimension, but if you peek the side here, you can see all the different fabrics. The next tag was just an applique using the scraps from the previous tag. So that was a fun one to incorporate particularly together. And then tag 40, the theme was yummy. And that was so fun because that just meant choosing some fabrics and yarn and threads that you found viscerally enjoyable, yummy. So I incorporated this very soft cottony thread here, and I just wove it in. And the colors are soft, they pick up the colors in the background, and those neutrals in the threads are so beautiful. So this is up to tag 40, so there's only 12 more to go. So I'll probably do 1 or 2 more videos to show you my final collection. Thanks for joining me today.